What's up, guys? We are at the Turtle Wax booth. We're Pam, the organizer, and we've also got Jim, one of the product experts at Turtle Wax. So they have 5 new products that are coming out. We're going to highlight them, and then Jim's going to highlight and kind of talk about the details of each of those products. So absolutely, go for it, guys.
Yeah, so I'm here. Well, first of all, thanhanks for having us.
Thank you.
On the show.
I appreciate it. Of course.
I'm here to kind of meet people and anybody who comes in to come and see me, but also help out Turtle Wax because they unveiled 5 awesome products. 4 of them in the Hybrid Solutions line. So the first one is their Headlight Restoration Kit. So if Jim, you want to fill us in on the technical details.
So what we added to the Headlight Restoration Kit is we have 2 oxidation remover wipes to wipe on the headlight before you even start any, with the compounds.
To pull all that yellowing out there?
It's going to pull the yellow out of the headlight.
So a pre-step before you even go into anything.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay. So then you're going to grab your compound after that and kind of rub that in, remove more of the oxidation, remove more of the swirls and scratches. For severely oxidized headlights, you're going to want to use the sanding pad. So it's a dual-sided sanding pad. A green side and a tan side, so you can use that on the severely oxidized. And then we've done a new base coat wipe. So it's got lens coat fill and seal technology is what we're calling it. So seals in years of UV protection.
Very cool.
Gotcha. Fantastic. And that, of course, toolless. So no tools needed.
No tools required.
So then we have something new as well, a scratch repair kit. So if you can talk about that one.
Yep, so we have a scratch repair kit currently on the market, but we wanted to add more technology, right? Cars are evolving, paints are evolving. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to add a premium clarifying compound. So it's a better compound than in our other kit. And then we've also added a 15 ml clear coat fill and seal technology. So it's an actual clear coat resin that you're going to apply with a foam block and an applicator.
Kind of like if you were applying a ceramic coating there.
Absolutely.
To fill in the gaps.
Absolutely, yeah. So it'll fill in the gaps, cover up the scratch, and then you come 24 hours later, and then you can repolish it and kind of blend in that.
Very good. So 24-hour cure time on that clear coat.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Yep.
Yeah, and there's a lot of product demos here at the booth, so and it's pretty striking the difference.
Very nice.
Then probably it's going to be one of my favorites and a crowd favorite as well. So we got the PureShine.
Yeah.
So what's this?
PureShine is my favorite. So it's our graphene infused PureShine misting detailer. So we're utilizing the Flairosol trigger that we brought to the interior of the car last year, right? We got the interior detailer, the glass, and the leather. We brought it to the outside of the car because of that fine, even, streak-free mist.
Yep.
What this product is going to do is going to give you that deep, rich, dark gloss, right? Adds a little bit of protection, has some anti-static properties in it,
Very
so
nice.
it's gonna repel the dust.
Yep.
But the best part about this is just that amazing shine that it gets.
Perfect. And you can apply it as a topper on any existing protection that you have, wax, sealant, ceramic coating,
Absolutely.
regardless.
Yep.
So great maintenance product for any of the other protections that you guys are having in your lineup. So next we have the graphene acrylic trim restore, which works super well again in the demo. We see
nice.
the A and B on the faded oxidized trim. So yeah, if you want to talk about that.
Perfect. Yeah, and we'll grab some B-roll of that as well and really show that up close.
Yeah, so the ceramic graphene trim restore, really the whole line is meant to be restoration products, right? Problem solution. You have a problem, we want to help you solve it in a very easy to use products that have a great value. So with the trim restores, if you have faded black dull trim on the outside of the car, the trim restore is going to not only protect and restore it, but it's going to give it that nice, deep, rich, dark gloss that it had one time ago.
Absolutely, and that lasts a long time. We're not talking just 1 or 2 months though, right?
Yeah, this will endure seasonal exposure. So
Very nice, okay.
Almost a permanent coating.
There you go.
Very good.
And last but not least, so this was all in the Hybrid Solutions line, and then we have this one here. Again, the demo is crazy because you don't need any tools. So Spot Clean, what is that?
So Spot Clean is a foaming fabric and carpet cleaner. So we found another trigger that we really like. Not the Flairosol trigger, this is a foaming trigger. So unlike aerosol products that have those propellant gases, this foaming trigger will give even better foam than an aerosol can without all those propellant gases.
Yeah, absolutely.
So when life throws you a curveball, you spill your coffee, the kids spill some, ketchup, whatever they have in the car, you can reach for Spot Clean and we'll show you the demos. gives that nice thick rich foam, and it leaves it at the surface so it doesn't, and then it helps pull that stain out.
Gotcha.
And then you just use a microfiber towel, so no brush is needed.
Plus, you don't have to neutralize. You know, like the majority of the carpet cleaners usually come back with a neutralizer to make sure there's no any residue. None of that with that. So it says it well, spot cleaner. And I don't know if you can tell there the floor mat there. Look at all the spots.
Yeah,
that's going to be some good B-roll. Yeah. So those are the 5 new innovations that Turtle
and
Wax
it's
has.
definitely and it's got a great scent too. So that just like that added benefit.
So yeah, inside of the car you want it to be, very good.
Absolutely.
So 5 new products. They're not joking around. They went serious R&D, and they have their team of chemists here, so people can actually speak to the people formulating the products. So everything made in the USA, right, Jim?
Yep, absolutely.
There you go.
Incredible, guys. Thank you so much.
pleasure.
Jim, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Absolutely, man. And Ken, we just wanted to ask you real quick, man, what's your top 3 favorite products from Turtle Wax? I know it's hard to
to
choose.
pick because I like so many. For me, definitely the Flex Wax, so the graphene-infused Flex Wax.
Yep.
So you apply it on base layer protection on dry paint, and then maintenance is as easy as spray on, rinse off.
Yep.
Real world durability, I did some testing on my channel. 10, 11 months, even through Canadian winters.
Wow.
Crazy durability. So if you maintain it properly, technically it's going to be there for the life of your car. Right?
Yep.
So I really like that one. The Slick and Slide Pure Shampoo. So no protection in there, just a pure, super high lubricity shampoo. You can use in a bucket or in a foam cannon as well. So really like that one. And then if we look here, the ceramic wet wax. So a drying aid. So for whatever protection you have on your vehicle, spray this on your wet when you're done washing and rinsing your vehicle. While it's still wet, spray this on. Use a microfiber drying towel, and just that slight gloss and slickness that it gives. Easy maintenance. But I mean, if I just had to pick these 3, I'll add another one because people who follow my videos know how much I enjoyed this. But the ceramic graphene paste wax.
Gotcha.
So I get 4 to 5 months durability out of this, but it's the gloss slickness that you get. It is like nothing else. And I remember Mike saying there's like 10 different Carnauba blends in there.
10 different waxes.
So that's the chemist, and there's ceramic technology, graphene, so like pretty much all their tech into one. So if people thought that wax is dead, no, it's not. Still people enjoy, right? The emotion of applying a
the
hand
therapeutic feel of actually applying
and this is it. So it's definitely. Did you try this one?
I have not.
You have.
I have not.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So those are my picks.
Very good. Very good. Awesome, man.
Yep.
Thank you so much, guys.
Nice
I appreciate
meeting you in
it.
person, by the way.
Yeah, finally.
We did
Yeah,
that
it's the
awesome
first time
collab
meeting
together.
an actual person.
Yep.
So, cool. Thank you guys.
Enjoy
Appreciate
the show.
it. Cool. And we're gonna go check out some more. I'll get some more close-up shots of the products as well.
Absolutely. And this is like
Yeah, that's insane. So that's a spot clean. That's
family
just,
owners are gonna love to have that. Yeah, that's the spot clean for the carpets formats.
that was just spray on what
Spray
dwell
on,
or and then just microfiber.
Yeah, let it
wrap?
roll a few seconds. Use the terry towel or microfiber cloth. You just rub it out, and that's it.
That's incredible.
No neutralizing, no nothing.